10 most dangerous jobs in the UK. There are tough jobs, and then there are dangerous ones. Across Britain, thousands of people work in roles where every shift carries real risk. Whether it's scaling scaffolding, battling the sea, or handling massive machinery, these workers keep the country running through grit and courage. Today, we're counting down the 10 most dangerous jobs in the UK, the everyday roles where bravery and skill meet real danger. 10. Manufacturing and heavy industry. Factories built Britain's modern world, from shipyards to steelworks. But they also hide hazards that never truly disappear. In manufacturing, workers operate complex machinery, handle chemicals, and lift heavy materials day after day. Even with safety laws, the danger is always there. A single moment of inattention can result in crushed fingers, burns, or worse. According to the Health and Safety Executive, HSE, manufacturing remains one of the top industries for serious workplace injuries. The environment is loud, busy, and unforgiving. Sparks fly from welding torches. Forklifts move tons of metal. Heavy rollers, presses, and conveyor belts all leave zero room for error. Still, Britain's industrial workers keep the lights on, literally and figuratively. Without them, trains wouldn't run, power plants wouldn't hum, and goods wouldn't reach our shelves. 9. Mining and quarrying. Deep underground or high in open quarries, miners and quarry workers face daily dangers. The UK's coal mines might be mostly gone, but the industry still exists for stone, aggregates, and minerals. Quarrying is physical, noisy, and risky. Workers use explosives to break apart rock, operate heavy cutting machinery, and move tons of material with loaders and trucks. In older pits, the rock faces can collapse without warning, while fine dust and poor ventilation can affect breathing over time. In Cornwall, Derbyshire, and Wales, quarry work remains vital for construction and industry. But it comes at a cost. Accidents involving machinery, rockfalls, and slips on uneven ground are all too common. Modern safety measures have reduced fatalities, but the work remains among the toughest. In an era of clean offices and digital jobs, quarrying stands as one of Britain's last truly physical frontiers. 8. Window cleaning and roof maintenance. Imagine standing hundreds of feet above the ground, buffeted by wind, balancing on a thin platform. That's daily life for professional window cleaners and roof maintenance workers. Jobs that look peaceful from below, but are incredibly dangerous up close. Falls from height are Britain's #1 cause of workplace fatalities, according to HSE data. For those who work high above city streets, the line between safety and disaster can be razor thin. Even with harnesses, scaffolds, and ropes, one slip or loose latch can end in tragedy. Add to that the unpredictability of British weather, sudden gusts, drizzle, or ice, and even experienced workers face serious risk. Yet, these unsung professionals keep the nation's skyline gleaming and roofs watertight. For them, bravery isn't a word, it's a job requirement. 7. Utility and electrical engineers. Behind every flickering light and working power line is someone who's risked their life to fix it. Utility engineers deal with the invisible force that powers our world, electricity, and when things go wrong, they're the first to respond. These workers repair power lines in storms, inspect high-voltage transformers, and climb pylons that rise hundreds of feet into the sky. They often work in remote or exposed locations, sometimes during blackouts or extreme weather when visibility is poor. One wrong move near a live wire can be fatal. The danger of electric shock, burns, or falling from height is ever present. The UK's energy grid relies on them, and most of us only notice their work when the lights go out. Despite the risks, they take immense pride in keeping Britain connected. It's a mix of engineering precision and old-fashioned courage. 6. Emergency services. Firefighters, paramedics, and police officers. When disaster strikes, most people run away. The emergency services run toward it. Firefighters, paramedics, and police officers face risks that can't always be predicted or controlled. Firefighters tackle blazes in collapsing buildings, surrounded by toxic smoke and blistering heat. Paramedics rush into chaotic scenes, car crashes, overdoses, or violent incidents where every second counts. Police officers respond to domestic violence, traffic collisions, and emergencies that can turn volatile without warning. Beyond the physical dangers, these jobs take an emotional toll. Long hours, trauma, and high stress make the work both mentally and physically demanding. Yet they keep going, driven by duty, compassion, and an unbreakable will to help others. For many, it's not just a job, but a calling. 5. Waste and recycling workers. It's one of the least glamorous jobs in Britain, but also one of the most dangerous. Waste and recycling workers handle everything from heavy bins and broken glass to chemical waste and compacting machinery. According to HSE data, the waste management industry has a fatal injury rate several times higher than the national average. Workers are often up before dawn, exposed to moving vehicles, sharp objects, and hazardous materials. The job demands constant vigilance. A missed signal near a reversing truck or an unsecured load can lead to disaster. Add in long hours and exposure to the elements, and it's easy to see why this work ranks among the most hazardous. These crews are the unseen heroes of modern life, quietly keeping streets clean, recycling centres running, and the country functioning safely. For HGV and delivery drivers. Driving may seem safe when you're behind a car wheel, but it's an entirely different story when your office weighs 40 tonnes. HGV, heavy goods vehicle, and delivery drivers spend long, lonely hours on Britain's motorways, battling fatigue, traffic, and unpredictable conditions. Road collisions remain one of the biggest causes of workplace deaths in the UK, and HGV drivers are constantly exposed to that danger. Fatigue, tight delivery deadlines, and stress only increase the risks. Then there's the physical toll: back pain, strain from loading, and long stretches without proper rest. Drivers often face the pressure of navigating unfamiliar routes, bad weather, or night shifts. Still, without them, supermarket shelves would empty and supply chains would grind to a halt. They are the arteries of Britain's economy, quietly powering the nation through every mile. 3. Fishing and offshore work. The sea can be beautiful, but it's merciless. For those who work on fishing vessels or offshore oil and wind platforms, danger is part of the job description. Fishing is consistently ranked among the world's most dangerous occupations. Rough seas, heavy gear, freezing temperatures, and isolation make every trip a test of endurance. One wrong step on a slippery deck or tangled net can lead to serious injury or death. Offshore engineers and technicians face similar hazards, with the added challenge of helicopters, cranes, and extreme weather conditions miles from shore. Despite advances in safety technology, these workers remain on the front line of Britain's energy and food industries. They're often out of sight, but never out of risk. From Aberdeen to Grimsby, they face the wild elements so the rest of us can keep our lights on and our plates full. 2. Agriculture, forestry, and farming. The British countryside looks peaceful, but life on a farm is anything but easy. Farming consistently ranks near the top of the 10 most dangerous jobs in the UK, and for good reason. Farmers operate massive machinery, tractors, harvesters, balers, that can weigh several tonnes. One slip while cleaning or maintaining them can have tragic consequences. They also work long hours in all weather conditions, often alone and far from immediate medical help. Livestock can also be unpredictable. cattle-related injuries are one of the leading causes of death among farmers, according to the HSE. Add to that the risk of falls, chemical exposure, and fatigue, and it's clear why farming is such a hazardous trade. Forestry workers face similar perils: chainsaws, falling trees, and steep, remote terrain. Together, these rural professions form the backbone of the nation's food and resource supply, powered by people whose grit is as strong as the land they work. 1. Construction work. Builders, roofers, scaffolders. At number 1 sits the trade that literally builds Britain. Construction workers, builders, roofers, scaffolders, and labourers perform some of the most physically demanding and perilous work imaginable. Every major city skyline and quiet village street exists because of their skill and sweat. But behind every completed project lies risk. Falls from height, heavy machinery accidents, collapsing structures, and electrocution are all common hazards. The construction industry consistently records the highest number of workplace deaths in the UK. Roofers, in particular, face constant danger, working high above ground where a single misstep can be fatal. Scaffolders, too, risk their lives daily assembling and dismantling the structures others rely on to work safely. Despite decades of safety improvements, the mix of heights, tools, and unpredictable conditions keeps construction at the top of the danger list. Yet, it's a profession that commands respect. Every bridge, home, and hospital stands because someone took that risk and did it with pride. The 10 most dangerous jobs in the UK remind us that behind every modern comfort stands someone working in real danger. From builders to fishermen, these professionals risk their lives daily to keep the country moving. Their courage, skill, and dedication deserve far more recognition than they often receive. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.